came in is because I snore real bad and I have sleep apnea. And I tried the CPAP and I could not sleep with it because it just about drive me crazy. But this mouthpiece, I found out about it from Dr. Clements, I found out. And I came and checked with him and I got it, and it wears great and I love it. And I sleep better and I wake up feeling better. And I don't get up as much at night, and my sleeping is a lot better. And I don't go to sleep in the daytime like I used to go to sleep, just sitting there. And I just feel better all around, and I love this mouthpiece a lot better than I did the other.